Find the least number of 3 digits which is exactly divisible by 14. Now, because it is least number of 3 digits, we divide the least number of 3 digits, that is 100, by 14. So 14 sevens are 98. So we get a remainder of 2. Now we need to add some number to 100 so that it becomes the least number of 3 digits, which is exactly divisible by 14. So whenever we have to add something, it is always the divisor minus the remainder. Now in this case, the divisor is 14, the remainder is 2. So we have to add 12 to the given number, that is 100. So 100 plus 12, that will be our answer, that is 112. So option A.